Hello, Mr. Kosa and my friend. Let me introduce my name. My name is Narahmawati. I'm from the Economic Study Program. In this final exam, I will respond to 3 videos present on LMS regarding mental health. Okay, text 1. In this first type, I get the gist of the text that is survey data collected by the Health Min Network between 2013 and 2021 from the 350,000 students in more than 300 campus. For which student prevalence of non-suicidal system and eating disorders increased most significantly compared to the other group. 75% of lifelong mental health problems will appear at the age of 24 years, namely during the time when they are still a student. And I take the lesson from this text is that mental health can occur to anyone, even at young age, which is obtained from several factors. It is very important, and I think the closest people should make a support system for the closest people, especially parents to children. They should be sensitive and understand the child's condition very well. Okay, next text 2. I take a little bit from text 2, namely government statistics state that there are 8 million students across the country. This is a significant improvement from the early days of the pandemic. The Ministry of Education cited deteriorating mental health among students was the main reason for reopening university in October. All face-to-face classes are suspended. Suryo, not his real name, used to believe that he was a smart student. His grade dropped so badly that he almost lost his scholarship. The burden of coming from a poor family adds to the pressure. 59% of the 3,901 university student survey in Indonesia suffered season of clinical depression. I take what I mean from the text that it turned out that this pandemic is very impactful for students because what we should learn at school is effectively, but with this pandemic we have to study at home, even though accompanied by teacher or lectures, but of course there are things that are not clear, especially sometimes we learn online is concentrated by network, and that is a factor in the occurrence of problem. Therefore, my opinion, there are not a few students who used to excel, but since the pandemic, their performance has decreased, and even this pandemic has made one of depreciation factor for students. Yes, because it is really less effective. Even activities seem to stop a moment. Okay, next text 2. The third text explains that schools across the country are overwhelmed with K-12 students struggling with mental health issues. According to school staff, pediatricians, and mental health care workers, this spike has not only made returning to the classroom more challenging for educators, it has also put a strain on an already strained healthcare system. According to the Children's Hospital Association data, there were more than 47,000 mental health visits to the emergency department in these first three quarters of 2021. And again, this is pandemic. This is mental health problem experienced by students, and one of the cases is the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, the point from the three texts that I understand that the pandemic has a very serious impact on the development of a person, but students from elementary school and even students are also affected. Given the length of time this pandemic has occurred, of course, many have made this an enemy. The threat some even consider it this is the end of a life where indeed in 2021 there are many activities that are prohibited from operating such as learning activities, office, project, agencies, and so on. Therefore, we need to realize that mental support is important and needs to be applied in our socializing. With the support system that we provide, it will have an impact on the people around, will foster a sense of enthusiasm that had wanted to give up. Okay, now of my discussion, more or less sorry, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.